Hey YouTube, what's going on? Another day of working on the Mira. Finally got the last seal in off of eBay. It's an oil seal to go up on it. Once the seal goes in, the timing cover will go on, along with all the belts and everything, and we'll be pretty much at the point where so the cover will go on, belts will go on. We're at the point where this whole assembly will get pushed into that engine bay, and the vehicle will be lowered down. But for today, we're just gonna finish getting the engine all assembled. Maybe finish putting coolant radiator pipes and all that stuff on. If not that, we'll definitely get the rest of the engine, everything dressed, and engine assembly pushed into the engine bay. So let's get started. Alright, so that little seal is gonna go right in here and seal off the timing cover. Once I've got that in there, I'll come right back and go right back once it's in. I'm gonna show you it, and once it's in and the timing cover is on. Alright, let's go. Alright, that's the pulleys on and the timing cover on. I'll put into a time lapse here, and we'll put the next thing on, which will be the belts. So once the belts are on, I'll actually slide the whole assembly in underneath there, getting it ready to drop the body down onto the subframe. So let's go. Alright, so my next step is I'm actually gonna sort out all my vacuum lines on the firewall here. And then once I've got all those guys on, I'll hook up my speedo cable and do plumbing. So first things first, vacuum lines. I'll get back to you. Next time you see this will all be hooked up and plumbed. Alright, and with all that, I got the fuel line hooked up. I got all my vacuum lines. I've even placed in one the AC. And I've got the valve cover on. So, on the next video, I'll be running electrical and sorting out the cooling system. You know that already. And then I'll also finish putting in the rest of the AC system on the next video. So you guys, feel free to like and subscribe. Every little bit actually does help, as I am a do-it-yourself tech, just starting out in the YouTube side of things. Hope you have a good one.